Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peggy, and if you are new here, I make DIY fashions and sewing tutorials every week. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and you will never miss out a new video. And today's tutorial is all about silk MIDI skirts. One of the easier pieces to throw on in the summer, they are breathable, feminine, and so flattering. I like to pair them with a simple tank, a white bottom down, or a cute croop top. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. midi skirt is a moment, a perfect outfit for summer day. And no doubt you know how a silk midi skirt can add a special charm and make any outfit look more fashionista. Thank guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know down in the comments what video you want to see from my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!